To cancel a Tesco delivery slot, start by opening the Tesco app on your iOS or Android device. Next, navigate to the My Account or Orders section in the app. Locate the order you want to cancel, then select the delivery slot associated with it. You should see options to cancel or change slot. Select Cancel to proceed. Remember the important rule. Cancel your slot at least 3 hours before the scheduled delivery time to avoid any cancellation fees. Confirm your cancellation when prompted by the app. Once canceled, the app will send you a notification confirming the action. Remember that policies are governed by Tesco's terms and conditions, which you accept when placing orders. As of 2025, the app supports real-time slot availability updates. Canceling within the 3-hour window means a full refund, typically processed back to your original payment card within 3 to 5 business days. Late cancellations usually incur a £1.99 fee for groceries as of 2024, which will be deducted from your refund. Non-grocery items may have different rules. Tesco offers flexibility for vulnerable customers or during major disruptions like severe weather, potentially waiving the fee. Contact customer service in these special cases. Keep an eye out for potential eco fees in the future, designed to discourage waste from late cancellations. Remember, transparency is key, so Tesco's app terms align with UK consumer protection laws.